Welcome back. Today I wanted to do a short video on tool storage in the garage, hanging them up on the wall. There's a lot of good videos out there. Some of them showing single layer storage. If you've got the room, that's fine. But for me, I want to condense it into a smaller area. So this is what turned out to be the best option for me. So one of the considerations you've got in doing your wall storage project is whether or not your garage is finished with drywall or not. I see a lot of videos out there with unfinished garages that just cut some 2x4s or 1x2s and attach them to the studs and in place of putting brackets up on the wall. So for me, I wanted to keep the project as simple and inexpensive as I could. So what I did, I went and I found these brackets. I got these at Home Depot. You can get them, I think, a similar one at Lowe's. They're around $7.50. They support 50 pounds a piece, and what you can do if you don't want them down, you can swing them up out of the way if you have a need for that. So to mount the brackets, I picked up a 2x6. Cut it to length. The reason I got a 2x6 instead of a 2x4, these brackets are a little bit too tall for a 2x4. And then attaching the 2x6 to the wall, you're going to have to find out where your wall studs are. And what I did, I just used 4 lags, 2 on each end, and used a 4.5 inch lag. And this particular set came with a star driver, so that made it nice and easy. What I did do was pre-drilled holes in the 2x6 to keep it from splitting and make it a little bit easier to drive the the lag screws in. So there you have it. Super easy project. Cleaned up that mess I had all over that wall with tools falling over and taking up space. I think I got it done for just around 50 bucks. So it was a great project. So as always, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, if it was helpful to you, and plan on getting more content in the future. So go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.